there's a map of why you age. Scientists published it in one of the most cited biology papers of the last decade. 12 specific mechanisms running simultaneously inside your body right now that determine how fast your cells, your organs, and your brain deteriorate. Researchers call them the hallmarks of aging, and until recently, most scientists assumed food could maybe nudge one or two of them. What the latest research actually found is something different, and it starts with a strawberry compound that does something most people would call impossible. A fruit sitting in your refrigerator right now contains a molecule that selectively hunts down your body's most destructive aging cells and eliminates them. A grain most people have never eaten reactivates a cellular cleaning system your body loses in your 40s. And a 10-week dietary change in a Stanford clinical trial reduced 19 aging proteins simultaneously, more than most pharmaceutical interventions manage in years. Everything in this video comes from peer-reviewed research. Every study link is in the description so you can read the original work yourself. These foods work through real, documented mechanisms, but they work as part of a consistent dietary pattern built over time. No single ingredient replaces sleep, movement, or managing chronic stress. What these 20 foods do is target specific biological failure points that those habits alone can't fully address. Number 1. Wheat germ. Your body has a cellular cleaning system, a process where damaged proteins and worn-out cell components get broken down and recycled before they pile up and cause harm. That system progressively shuts down with age. Wheat germ contains the highest concentration of spermidine of any food, a compound that reactivates this cleaning process at the cellular level. A double-blind trial in older adults confirmed it was safe and produced meaningful effects on cognitive markers. Raw wheat germ, stirred into yogurt or oatmeal, is the most concentrated way to get it. Flour processing strips it out entirely, which is why most people have never encountered it.
Number 2, strawberries. Strawberries contain the highest concentration of a compound called physitin of any food on Earth.
Physitin does something unusual. It selectively identifies cells in your body that have stopped functioning but refuse to die and triggers their removal. These stalled cells accumulate with age and release a continuous stream of inflammatory signals that damage surrounding healthy tissue. Fresh strawberries, eaten regularly, are the most practical dietary source. Number 3. Broccoli sprouts. Mature broccoli is good. Broccoli sprouts are in a different category entirely. They contain up to 100 times the concentration of the compound that activates your body's own master antioxidant defense system. That system controls over 200 protective genes that shield your DNA from the daily oxidative damage that drives cellular aging. NIH-funded clinical trials at Johns Hopkins confirmed this activation in human subjects. The practical barrier is low. Sprouts grow in a jar on a countertop in 5 days and cost almost nothing. Number 4. Pomegranate. Pomegranate contains compounds that gut bacteria convert into something that triggers a selective recycling of damaged mitochondria, the energy-producing structures inside every cell that degrade with age. The catch: roughly 60% of people have lost the specific gut bacteria needed to make the conversion from pomegranate alone. Eating it alongside fermented foods helps rebuild that capacity. Number 5. Blueberries. Your DNA methylation is a chemical tagging system your body uses to control which genes stay active. It drifts out of pattern with age, and that drift accelerates biological aging faster than chronological time. Blueberries contain a compound with around 80% absorption into the bloodstream that directly influences the enzymes maintaining this tagging system. An analysis of nearly 11,000 US adults found that people with higher intakes of this compound appeared biologically younger on measurable aging markers. A cup of raw blues daily is the target. Number 6. Wild salmon. Telomeres are the protective caps at the ends of your chromosomes. Every time a cell divides, they get slightly shorter, and their rate of shortening is one of the most reliable predictors of biological aging. Wild salmon delivers the highest omega-3 concentration of any common fish without the mercury contamination concerns of larger species. 2 servings per week is the threshold seen in protective research. Number 7. Edamame. Edamame carries two distinct aging mechanisms in one food. The isoflavones in soy directly modify DNA methylation at specific gene sites, including genes that suppress cancer and regulate metabolic aging, without changing the DNA itself. Edamame is also one of a small number of whole foods that contain a natural precursor to NADS, the molecule that powers your cell's DNA repair machinery and declines sharply after 40. Number 8. Extra virgin olive oil. The compound oleocanthal in high-quality extra virgin olive oil blocks the same inflammatory enzyme pathway targeted by ibuprofen. Chronic low-grade inflammation is now recognized as an independent driver of aging across every organ system. Multiple randomized controlled trials showed daily consumption of high polyphenol olive oil reduced measurable inflammatory proteins by up to 22%. Most commercial olive oil contains negligible amounts of this compound. Look for cold-pressed, early harvest oils with a polyphenol content above 250 milligrams per kilogram. Number 9. Walnuts. Walnuts have more polyphenols than any other nut and the highest plant-based omega-3 content, carrying both the telomere protective benefits and a separate set of compounds that also convert in the gut into the same mitochondria repairing molecule found in pomegranate. They also contain a compound shown in cellular research to cross into the brain and directly reduce the protein buildup associated with Alzheimer's disease. A small handful daily is the evidence-supported target. Number 10. Kefir and fermented foods. The loss of gut microbial diversity with age is now recognized as one of the 12 mechanisms of aging in its own right, because the gut microbiome controls immune function, metabolism, inflammatory tone, and brain signaling simultaneously. A Stanford clinical trial randomized adults to a 10-week fermented food diet. 19 inflammatory proteins decreased in the blood, 4 types of immune cells showed significantly less activation, and microbial diversity increased measurably. The high-fiber group saw none of those 19 proteins decrease. Kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, and live culture yogurt are the most accessible sources. Number 11. Parsley and celery. These two are used as garnishes. They shouldn't be. Parsley and celery have the highest concentrations of two specific flavone compounds, apigenin and luteolin, of any common food. A meaningful serving is several tablespoons of parsley added as an ingredient, not a sprig on the side of a plate. Number 12. Barberries. Barberries contain berberine, a compound that activates the body's cellular energy sensor, the switch that governs whether cells are in growth mode or conservation mode. When that switch tips toward constant growth signaling, aging accelerates. Berberine flips it back. It also increases a beneficial gut bacterium called Akkermansia, which is consistently depleted in aging and metabolic disease. Barberries are the only common whole food source. They're eaten dried in Persian rice dishes, tart, small, and available in Middle Eastern grocery stores. Number 13. Black rice and black beans. The dark pigment in black rice and black beans is a class of antioxidant compounds that activates cellular energy sensor as berberine and simultaneously feeds the gut bacteria most depleted by Western diets. The gut bacteria increased by these pigments, Akkermansia and Bacteroides species, are among the most consistently associated with longevity in large population studies. White rice replaced black rice as the global staple. That substitution had consequences. Number 14. Broccoli. Mature broccoli is worth including separately from its sprouts because it's one of a very small number of whole foods confirmed to contain a direct precursor to the molecule your cells use to power DNA repair. Broccoli also retains meaningful levels of the compound that activates antioxidant defense genes, even in cooked form, as long as it isn't boiled. Light steaming or roasting preserves the most. Number 15. Avocado. Avocado is compositionally unusual. It contains the same NAD+ precursor found in broccoli, a monounsaturated fat that activates the cellular energy sensor and supports cell membrane integrity in aging cells, and a compound called lutein that crosses the blood-brain barrier and directly supports neuronal health. It's one of the few foods that simultaneously addresses protein quality control inside aging cells and nutrient sensing, two distinct hallmarks. The green flesh closest to the skin has the highest lutein concentration, which is typically scraped off when people cut avocado. Eating it whole or buying pre-peeled captures that. Number 16. Sardines and anchovies. These two small fish deliver more omega-3 per calorie than almost any food on Earth, which means they carry the same telomere protective effects as wild salmon, at a fraction of the cost, and with negligible mercury concerns, since they're too small to accumulate it. Populations in Sardinia and Okinawa consume small, fatty fish regularly, and both regions appear consistently in longevity research. Canned sardines in olive oil are the most practical form. Number 17. Natto, miso, and tempeh. Fermented soy products combine the gut diversity benefits of live fermentation with the epigenetic effects of soy isoflavones. Natto specifically contains the highest concentration of vitamin K2 of any food on Earth, over 10 times more than most other sources. K2 activates a protein that prevents calcium from depositing inside blood vessels rather than in bones, and vascular calcification is one of the clearest measurable markers of arterial aging. It's essentially absent from Western diets. Natto has a strong flavor that takes some adjustment. Mixing it with mustard and rice is the traditional approach. Number 18. Green tea. Green tea's best-known compound has a less discussed effect on aging that goes beyond its antioxidant properties. Cells that have stopped functioning but haven't been cleared by the immune system don't just sit dormant. They actively secrete inflammatory proteins into surrounding tissue, corrupting healthy cells nearby. Green tea's primary compound suppresses this secretion from already stalled cells, reducing the inflammatory damage they cause. 2 to 3 cups of sencha or matcha daily covers the evidence-supported intake range. Number 19. Dark chocolate. Nitric oxide is the molecule your blood vessels use to relax and widen, maintaining blood pressure, ensuring oxygen delivery, and enabling communication between cells throughout the cardiovascular system. Its availability drops significantly with aging. The primary compound in high cacao dark chocolate activates the enzyme that produces nitric oxide in blood vessel walls. Milk chocolate and Dutch processed cocoa have negligible epicatechin content. 1 to 2 squares of 85% or higher daily is practical and consistent with the research. Number 20. Lentils and chickpeas. Legumes are the only dietary category shared by every blue zone population on Earth, every long-lived group studied across different continents and cultures eats them daily. The mechanism runs through 2 hallmarks at once. Their resistant starch feeds the gut bacteria most associated with reduced inflammaging, and their low glycemic load keeps insulin and growth signaling from chronically overactivating, a pattern that, sustained over decades, is one of the clearest accelerators of biological aging. Lentils are among the cheapest foods in any grocery store. 20 foods, 12 mechanisms. That's the scope of what the current research actually shows is possible through diet. The honest place to start is with the foods that address the most mechanisms at once. Fermented foods, kefir, kimchi, live culture yogurt, address gut diversity, immune aging, and inflammatory tone simultaneously, and a Stanford trial showed measurable results in 10 weeks. Broccoli sprouts activate your body's own antioxidant defense system at a scale that mature vegetables can't match. And lentils, the most affordable food on this entire list, show up in every long-lived population ever studied. You don't overhaul everything at once. Pick 2 or 3. Add fermented foods to your weekly pattern. Grow a jar of broccoli sprouts. Swap white rice for black rice once a week. Small, consistent additions to an existing diet are what the research actually supports, not dramatic replacement of everything familiar. A caveat worth stating clearly. Most of the strongest findings here come from controlled trials with specific doses and durations. Real-world dietary intake of these foods is rarely that precise, and the gap between a clinical trial and a weekly grocery shop is real. What the research gives you is a direction, not a prescription. Use it as a map, not a rule book. All the study links are in the description. Every claim in this video traces back to a published source you can read yourself. Take care of yourself. from the inside out.